Hello people, once again this is ELLY VUJERI and today we are going to have a house tour. This is the house that we'll be touring into. So if you're a house hunting, come with me. Let me take you through this particular house so that we may see. And it's probably a bed sitter. And first of all, we get to get inside, and this is the balcony where you can have your view of the outside. And this is the rooftop. This is probably the basement whereby you can, dry your clothes here after washing and after the laundry. And you can also just have your good times here at this top of the house, so that it's a good place, right? And a view, and on top of it we have roofing. The roofing, it's really well done and it's a pretty good one. You can view the rooftop and downwards, so this is a good place if you want to enjoy it. So let us see what is inside. Acha nione. Siko sawa? This is a bed sitter. It's a good one. See if we have water. Oh yeah. I think it is disconnected. Now we're heading to the bathroom and the toilet. Wow, looks fine, no doubt. See if we have water. I think it is disconnected, but looks good, man. It looks good. Everything is new. This building is probably new. Well. Great. So we have the shower right here. And I think, oh yeah, well. Good. The lights is working. So it's a good bed sitter, by the way. If you take it here, then you can view from outside, or at the outside you can view. So it's a good one. It's a good one. So that's all I got. And I'm sure that you will catch me on the next video when we are touring to the houses and finding out the affordable houses in the city. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family for more videos. Yeah, once again, I'll just say that if this video has, blessed you, or you've been enlightened in one way or the other, feel free to like, subscribe, man. Just subscribe that button, man. It will not cost you anything. Subscribe it, like it, and share it for me to keep moving and going on straight with these movies. So as for this, goodbye.